In the event of a recession, it is imperative that your business is recession-proof and financially stable. Small businesses are especially hit hard by economic downturns, which can strike seemingly out of nowhere like a tornado. No one can say for sure when a recession will hit, but you may take steps to protect and recession-proof your business, such as improving your knowledge of cash flow, debt, and inventory management. Welcome to the channel. If you're new, subscribe for more monetary excellence. In this video, we'll go over 7 tips on how to recession-proof your business. Be sure to stay to the end for a very important bonus tip you don't want to miss. Let's get started. Number 1, you need to manage your money well. Many small businesses fail because of poor cash flow management, which is especially important in times of economic instability. Sending invoices and reviewing accounts receivable rapidly helps cash flow. You may find a group of late payers or arrears when doing so. Fix these issues now. So, how well are you managing your money? Let me know in the comments. Number 2, manage your debt wisely. When they observe multi-billion-dollar organizations racking up debt, many entrepreneurs automatically assume the worst. In reality, most of the capital is being put into expanding existing operations. Maintaining a manageable business debt level is crucial to acquiring appropriate finance for many small enterprises. Smaller companies should avoid taking on too much debt since they lack the resources of their larger competitors. Number 3, double-check how you handle inventory. While maintaining the same routine year after year may save time, it may not be the most cost-effective option. Review receivables and inventory procedures. Is a product oversupplied? What if a different merchant sold the same things for less? To save money, don't do things the same way you always have. Side tip, tracking technology might be useful for keeping tabs on stock level. Find out which point of sale POS systems offer better inventory management. Number 4, master your skill. Diversifying your small business by adding more products or services doesn't work. Even in a good economy, diverting resources to join new markets might hurt your main business. Focus on your core talents to avoid severe damage to your firm. Let me know in the comments, what are your best skills? Number 5, leverage current customers. Customers may provide valuable insight into the market and help you gauge the strength of your competition, which can help you improve your own sales tactics. Repeat customers that are already familiar with you and your business may be more receptive to upsells. In a time of crisis, the ability to upsell and cross-sell can be crucial. Additionally, advertising to consumers who are already familiar with your brand and products can reduce marketing costs greatly. Instead of using traditional marketing methods, you can just give these users perks like early access to new products or discounts. Customers are loyal if they feel valued and tell their friends to do the same. Did you know? A marketing metrics report found that the likelihood of acquiring a new customer is around 5 to 20%, whereas the success rate of selling to an existing customer is 60 to 70%. Use this to your advantage. Number 6, gain a competitive edge. To recession-proof your business, find new ways to attract customers after safeguarding your current ones. Whether you're in a niche or mass market, that means stealing customers. If you don't know much about your industry's competitors, investigate. Follow their advertising, email lists, storefronts, and social media to stay up to date. Make your business stand out. Number 7, don't stop marketing your business. Even if the economy tanks, keep advertising. You can't sell if no one knows you exist. In a tough economy, a great product or service can set you apart. Explore paid and free promotion, especially on social media and video sharing platforms. Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok are free ways to acquire customers. Before we continue to the bonus tip, if you find this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more valuable strategies to improve your financial goals. Bonus tip number 8, take care of your personal credit. Despite your best efforts, financial challenges may arise. High credit scores make getting a loan to keep your firm viable easier. Small business loans are the first to dry up during economic downturns. Differentiate between your personal credit score and your company's. Strong personal credit makes it easier to get business loans. Monitor and improve your credit score. For important tips on how to establish great personal credit, check out this video, link in the description. So, is your business recession-proof? What measures are you currently taking? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more important tips to achieve monetary excellence. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.